Say okay.
Okay.
All right, say okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mwah. I'm going to Portugal. I'm going to motivate some people. It's time to go to Portugal for the very first time, I must say. I've been a lot of places in the world, but this woman, Susanna, is really the catalyst to me and Team Shaun T coming to Portugal, and I can't wait. Let's go! I'm excited to go to Lisbon. A lot of people probably like the architecture and the scenery and, you know, the views and stuff, which I'm sure they're wonderful. But I'm most interested in two things: food and shopping. I'm also really excited about going to dinner tomorrow night because Susanna has literally been tagging me in her social media posts for a very long time, and she's extremely committed to being a group exercise instructor. That's what our Fit Fam is about, really. It's not just about me popping up in the city just to go to that city. I find the connection in the story that's there, and that makes it so much better. This makes me so happy. This is the craziest thing, how much I love shopping in different places. So a lot of you know that I've partnered with Samsonite before, so one of the things that I love is when I go internationally and see some of my partner stores in different places. It's so cool. I think I need to go in here and just buy a bag for good measure. I'm looking at some backpacks. I love bags, as you can see. But I'm gonna buy some clothes, so I need some extra room. Oh my God. This is the best.
Oh my God, thank you.
How are you?
Nervous?
It's so nice to meet you. Don't be nervous. I'm very nice.
Shaking.
Meeting Susanna for the first time was surreal to me. She might look at me as, oh, this is Shaun T, and you know, I'm a huge fan of his, but I'm a huge fan of her and people out there who are so motivated and never give up on their goals.
I was shaking, but when we went to dinner, as time went by, I felt so calm, and it was so good to be there and speaking with them. There was a moment that I forgot that I was with my mentor, my biggest example of life. And I thought I am with a friend. Shaun came into my life when I was in a very bad mentally way. I thought, I don't want this anymore. Then I had a friend that introduced me Shaun T's programs of insanity. And that made my focus change. That moment, it changed my life.
You know what I learned from Susanna this weekend just really enhanced what I learned about myself a long time ago and what I teach, and that is consistency can help you win. This is the best. This is the best moment ever.
Oh my God, I don't believe this.
This is why we do what we do, to connect with our Fit Fam from around the world. My favorite thing about the event was that everyone showed up extremely focused. I've never taught a class where the people were that focused before. Hello.
Yes, please. Thank you for all your help. You can imagine the help that you give to me. I'm going to cry. Sorry.
Thank you for letting
I want to take a picture.
Oh, of course. One thing that I learned that was new this weekend is that no matter where in the world you are, you make an impact on people. It doesn't matter if you have 1 million followers or if you have 3, just walking down the street, people can recognize your energy. All right, so we're in Portugal and I wanted to celebrate Donut Friday, but from what I understand here about this place is that these pastries are lit as F. So instead of celebrating Donut Friday, I'm gonna celebrate Pastry Friday here in Portugal, and I'm going to attempt to take a bite out of, one bite out of each one of these pastries, and I'll burn it off tomorrow in the insanity workout that you'll see me do. This is the Portuguese breakfast right here. It's the best one so far. You need a Samwell in your life. Save the best for last. I got one thing to say to you. Maybe a couple things to say to you. First of all, don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate yourself. Second of all, don't judge me. Don't judge yourself. And third of all, you have to enjoy your life when you have the opportunity. Thank you.